So now let us start making notes. So over here you can see that I am in my Adobe Product lesson page right here, and you can see that the date and time is already there. But however, if you want to change the default date and time, you can simply go over here, click on the calendar date and choose the date of your liking. You can also do the same thing with the time right here. Choose the time that suits you. All right, there you go. So once you do that, you simply go over here, click on any spot you want. So there's no specific area on where you should click, or it does not go to the left. So you just click on the area which you want and say things that you like. So Adobe is a multimedia based company which produces, let me press enter, different multimedia design applications. All right, there you go. So you can see that this is a note over here. So unlike other word processing software, you actually get a note like this. And you can even resize this out. So you can resize this, as you can see, and you can keep this anywhere you want. So you can go into any place that you want. Let's say, for example, over here, and then type in the things you want. So type in the things you want, just like this, and you can move it around and keep it wherever you like. And that is how the notes are collected, just like that. So you can simply go over here, and if you want to align them, you can see that everything snaps into place. So all of them are aligned just like that. You can also expand this if you want to increase the space. Let's say, for example, this one, you can expand this to make it seem as if it has more area to cover, just like that. So you can organize your notes however you want. There's no specific way on how you should organize a certain note, just like that. So you can also right click over here, go for other options like all at level 1. You can order them out and so forth, which you're going to see in further lessons. So that is how you create notes in Microsoft OneNote. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.